Hey guys,
we're back
with the Water Sustainability Project in Harare, Zimbabwe. Here are some stats about Zimbabwe's money transfer to USA and their water usage. Money transfer. So $1 is equal to 362 Zimbabwean dollars, or Zim dollars in Zimbabwe. This is crazy at the fact that 362 Zim dollars can feed 8 people pretty decent meals. $100 can feed 100 times more people, 800 people, with the Zim dollars that they can have. Let's talk about how we can get those US dollars to Zimbabwe. So the average American family uses about 552 gallons of water per day, while the average African family uses only 5 gallons of water per day. This is a huge difference. Americans use about 110.5 times more gallons of water than the African family per day. So there's room for improvement for us.
Well, you may be thinking that we can actually save the water for Zimbabwe people by helping them to catch rainwater, but it's actually not safe because the water gets polluted in the sky, and it can actually really affect people by it can actually kill them, or it can actually cause sickness, but we usually try to go with the worst possible scenario so we can get a heads up just in case something bad happens. But even though we can't catch rainwater for Zimbabweans, we can still donate stuff to help them get potable water. Did you know that one single $7 potable aqua pack can make more than 6 gallons of drinkable water? Well, if we donate more potable aqua packs to Zimbabwe, then they can make serious use out of it, because right now they don't have very much drinkable water in their area. They may not even in some areas they may not even have any. Here are some simple ways to save water.
Let's look at how we can save water using sinks.
One way to save water is to not leave the sink on while you're brushing your teeth. The average person wastes 5 gallons of water by leaving the sink on while they're brushing their teeth. What you should do is you should just turn the water off after you clean your toothbrush and then start brushing your teeth. Another way some people save water is by not overfilling their water bottles when they want to drink. As a matter of fact, I'm feeling pretty thirsty. Believe it or not, a lot of people overfill their water bottles, which means that they waste water when it goes down the drain. In other words, they don't use their water in moderation, and they fill their water bottle up to the point where they can't drink all the water. This is an example of what not to do because I overfill my water bottle too much. Let's talk about showers and baths. So first off, with showers, let's be honest, a lot of us take longer showers than we actually need. In fact, the average 10-minute shower uses up 20 gallons of water that we probably don't need all of. So if we take shorter showers, then we can donate more money to people in Zimbabwe to help them out. And when you want to take a bath, just make sure you don't overfill the bathtub and waste water, because usually some people don't pay attention and they can fill it up to the very top. And you probably don't want to fill it more than the faucet. Another way people can save water is by paying attention while they're watering their grass or other plants. A way we can stop this problem is by actually researching how much water your plants need, so you don't underwater them or overwater them. By doing these things to save water, we can save money for our community action plan.
Here's our board explaining how we will go and do this action plan and what it will cost. So, the cost of a plane ticket from Colorado to New York City and from New York City to Harare will cost $1,218 per person. So it will cost a lot of money to get to Harare, Zimbabwe in the first place. The cost of a hotel in Harare, Zimbabwe is around $60 depending on which hotel we find. The cost of a rental car will cost about $114 for 100 kilometers, and 60 cents after that per kilometer. So overall, for one person, the cost of transportation will be $1,392.
After we get to Zimbabwe, this is what our plan per Zimbabwean household will be. First, there will be a 250-gallon water tank with a hole in the top to collect rainwater. This will cost $389. Next, the water will drain through PVC pipes. The price of these depend on the length or square footage of the house, and 1 inch by 10 foot pipe is about $4. After the water goes through the pipes in the house, it will come out a water faucet. The water faucet will cost about $39. Then, when the water faucet is turned, the water will go into a water barrel, which is 10 gallons. This will cost $59. Of course, you can't drink pure rainwater, which is why we'll need water purification drops. Each one of these costs $7.
Therefore, we will have a total of a max of $750 per household for this water containment unit. To conclude, there are many solutions to help the water crisis in Harar, Zimbabwe. Stay tuned for our next video and TED Talk later in our series. Thanks for watching.